This video is going to introduce you to how to do the acid-fast stain. This stain is going to reveal the structures found in Mycobacterium cells. Specifically, they have mycolic acid in their cell walls, and this allows the cells to be stained using this procedure. So cells that are acid-fast will show up as pink, and cells that are non-acid-fast will show up as blue. In the acid-fast stain, you'll begin by using your aseptic technique with your loop to place culture onto circles on slides, just like we did in the gram stain previously. You'll air dry and heat fix, and then you're ready to stain. When you're ready to stain your slide, you're going to wear gloves, and this is because the Carbofuscin stain that we use contains phenol and methanol, and we want to keep that off of our skin. For this protocol, we have cans of water with screens on top, and the water is being steamed, and this creates a steam heat, and when we put our slide on here with the stain on top, it will also steam the stain and help drive it into the cells. So the materials we need here are the Carbofuscin stain, the acid alcohol, water, and a discard bucket to rinse into. And at the end, we'll be using our bibulous paper. So let's get started. Take your slide with the cells facing up and place it onto one of the screens. And we're going to put the Carbofuscin on so that it is covering both of our circles. And once it begins heating, we'll start to see that Carbofuscin steaming as well. During the 5-minute stain, continue to add more Carbofuscin as it evaporates. You want to avoid your circles becoming bare. After 5 minutes is up, you're going to use the water bottle, rinse the stain directly into the funnel. Next, you're going to rinse with the acid alcohol decolorizer until it runs clear. And then one more rinse with water. Now you can dry the slide in the bibulous paper. So open the book, place the slide in, and pat to dry. Now your slide is ready for the counter stain. We'll go back to our regular staining tray to do this step. Now we're ready for our final stain with methylene blue. This will be the counter stain, so cells that are not acid-fast will be clear after the acid alcohol treatment, and this blue stain will allow us to see those non-acid-fast cells. So we'll let this sit for 1 minute, and then we'll come back and rinse. We are ready to rinse the methylene blue off of the slide. And then we will dry with the bibulous paper. Pat, pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat. And there we are. We're ready for the microscope.